Sanjay Awasthi asked for Noida. My pressure cooker started leaking water out of vent, whistle. It is brand new. I've used it about 5 times. What could be the issue and how to fix? Answer 1. Change your cooker valve in the top. It will be okay. Answer 2. Ask the vendor to replace, they might do the needful. You too have a question? Get answers in real time from local experts. Download Bush Lark from Play Store.